The motto of the workshop is nature, community, craft, and that to us means restoring and protecting the natural environment that we're blessed with here in Traverse City. That's nature. Community means embodying and strengthening the vibrant community that we're lucky enough to be a part of. And craft is all about providing meaningful work for our staff. Our commitment to craft when it comes to our beer is about creating what we call heirloom beers, which are beers that are true to style, really traditional styles that doesn't mean that they're uninteresting, because there's a lot of obscure styles out there and a lot of really interesting seasonal styles. And we're really, really proud of our beer, and our customers love it too. And our food is scratch made, locally sourced wherever possible, and yeah, we're really proud of that. If you walk by the workshop on a given day, you're probably going to smell some delicious stuff outside because there's a lot of smoked meat going on. We make our famous pretzels with the spent grain left over from the brewing process. So, you know, all the decisions that we make here and all the work that we do is guided by those what we call tri-fidelity, which is being true to those three tenets: nature, community, and craft. And wherever you look, you're going to see nature, community, and craft coming through. We have a kind of lineup of really reliable, tried and true, what we call journeyman beers. Those are everything from an American Blonde Ale through an ESB and a Saison, right down to a really awesome Midwest IPA. And those are always going to be here, so you're always going to find something that appeals to you. Nature, community, craft is what drives the workshop, and community is almost our middle name. The experience that you have when you come here, we want it to be a welcoming experience. What we don't want to be is what so many craft breweries in some places are, which is a place where people are cooler than you know? And I know that because I'm not the coolest guy. I'm just a regular dude. Whether your normal drink is Bud Light, or whether your normal drink is an imported Belgian bottle, or whether your normal drink is a heavy duty, you know, IPA, we've got you covered, and we're going to welcome you and meet you wherever you are.